Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I'm gonna do my June Boxycharm unboxing. I have my 2 subscriptions here. Apologies in advance because last week I didn't upload, but I was trying to recover from a health issue, namely COVID and something I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, mycoplasma or mycoplasma or whatever how it is called. But yeah, I'm in great spirits and I'm totally recovered. So let's just jump to why we are here. The first box is the Boxycharm Dare to Dazzle. In this one, I got the Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette. I chose this one, actually. This wasn't a surprise to get it. This is, I think, her all matte palette, and I really wanted this one. It has great reviews. And it has a little bit of neutrals plus warm tones, but they are all mattes. Love the packaging, really simple but elegant. I really like this one. This retails for $48. Also, I got the Mercier blush color infusion. This retails for $32, and the shade that I got, it is Grapefruit. And I love the shade. I think I also, yeah, I think that I can be mistaken, but I think that I chose this one. The Skin Régimen 1.85 HA Booster, which I think it is the one that I have in my hand. No, it isn't. This one. And this retails for $115. Maapilim, I think it is how it is pronounced, Eye Cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. This retails for $39. Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. This is in the style Kiss Me. This retails for $15.99. A new launch. And last but not least, Earth Harbor Naturals. This is in Laguna Replenishing Body Serum. And retails for $26. And for my luck box, I got the Elemis Superfood HA Glow Cleansing Butter. This retails for $38. I got another blush. This is from NARS. This retails for $30, and this is the shade Orgasm. Believe it or not, I didn't own the Orgasm shade from NARS. It is a nice color. I like better peachy colors rather than pinky ones, but I like the gold shimmer, which is what almost everybody loves about Orgasm. That is that. I got this Luxie Floral Brush Set. This retails for $40. Dr. Brandt, yeah, this one. Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. This retails for $64, and this also is a new launch. And also the Elemis, my bad. This also is a new launch. The Formatic Superfood Face Mask is this. This retails for $40. I'm really curious about this because it is packaged in like in envelopes and little packages. The Smith French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. This retails for $25. So I'm not gonna use all of this stuff. The body wash, I'm not gonna use it. The Revive Body Gel, as it may be in my arm so you can actually see. I will try to use as many products as I can because it's a lot of skincare, which I don't mind. I really love to get skincare. But yeah, let's just go to it. I'm gonna start with the Elemis Superfood HA Glow Cleansing Butter. I love the unicard. Oh, and the packaging as well. This makes you think that it's going to smell like oranges. And it has a really faint scent, which I can't pinpoint what it is. It has the texture and the feeling of a balm, which it's supposed to. Usually I don't use balms. I don't like the greasy feeling that they leave. It says to just remove it with warm water. I'm gonna use my makeup eraser to help me out. And also it says that you can apply it to your eyes and just with cotton pads remove whatever impurities or makeup that you may have. if it doesn't leave me a greasy base, I'm gonna love it. And it doesn't! Yay! The reason why I don't like balms is because when you take them off, you still have to really wash your face with soap in order to remove that film that they leave. And this one doesn't. So yay, I'm loving that so far. Now I'm gonna use the Sigmatic Superfood face mask. It says that it's a purifying one and it is USDA organic. So I have to make a mix. One packet. I have to mix one packet with half of a teaspoon of water, apply it to face and rinse it off after 10 minutes. This is edible, by the way. I'm not gonna eat this. I drop half of a teaspoon, but I think it is not enough. It doesn't mix. So I think, wow, this is going to do a mess. I think that I'm going to try to do this in my bathroom, and then when I get the mix the way that it should look, I will come back because I'm going to do a mess, a really hot mess. I will suggest to use 1.5 tablespoons because finally I got it. Man, whoa, it smells so good. That's why it says that it's edible. But it says to be used in my face, so I'm not gonna eat it. Well, I feel like a kid. Literally like a kid. So, as wonderful as I look, I will see you in 10 minutes. Well, the 10 minutes have passed, and what I have now is a really dried up thing in my face. I'm gonna remove it in my bathroom and then we're gonna come back. The complexion is almost done. I'm missing blush, but it's not that I'm missing, it is that I'm waiting for that moment. I have two choices. I have the NARS Orgasm and I have the Laura Mercier Grapefruit, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, Grapefruit. I think I'm gonna start with Grapefruit, and since the shape of my face, it is an elongated one, I'm gonna use this one just in the higher points of my face, and when I finish up my eye look, then I think I'm gonna use a little bit of the Orgasm one just in the, a little bit of in the apples of my cheeks. Oh, my bad. I had a little sponge here in the Luxie brush set. But mostly besides that, everything else I will use it or incorporate it in my eye look. But my bad, I didn't use that. Taking a little bit from the pan. I think that is plenty. And I love the shade. Yes, with just that little amount that you saw in the brush, this is what I got. And still I have a little bit left in the brush, but I'm just gonna leave it at that because I want to be able to mix up with the other shade, the Orgasm one from NARS. And I don't want to look like a clown, and I think I got a little bit overboard in my other side. For the eyes, in order to avoid this video being so long, which is usually what happens, I'm gonna use the brushes. I'm going to implement the brushes, and I'm gonna use the palette. But we're gonna do it in a little bit of a fast forward mode. curled that it helps me in that particular area. They really curl long and nice, so yeah, I'm into it. I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm going to apply something in my lips and then we're gonna come back. So sweets, the eye look is entirely done and I applied lipstick. The only thing I'm missing, there are 3 items that I haven't used yet. One of them, it is the NARS blush Orgasm, which I said that I was going to apply a little bit in the apples of my cheeks just to make sure that at least I have tested this blush. That's what I'm going to do at this moment, just in this area, in the front part of my cheeks. Look how shiny and nice and gorgeous it looks. Also, the last 2 products are this one. One, it is a replenishing body serum, which I'm going to just apply it in one arm. And the other one, it is this, the Revive Body Gel, that I'm going to do the same thing in my other arm. This is, it has a dropper, it is made of glass. It has a really soft, nice smell, which I enjoy. I don't like overwhelming scents. I like how this feels. It isn't greasy, it isn't anything. It really, really, really absorbs fast. And the other thing, which is the body gel that I can't open at the moment. This one, I don't know if I like it. It has the texture of a regular gel. Can't really pinpoint the scent, but it isn't overwhelming. It's a little bit more stronger than the serum, but I can manage. It is really nice. So, sweets, let's go through everything that I got in both of my boxes. The Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. I really like this because it doesn't leave that film that usually balms leave every time. Well, the ones that I have tried, which that I appreciate. Also, the 4 Sigmatic face mask. I like this, but in my opinion, I will use this on my really pampering days, not in a regular basis, because it is kind of a mess and not so easy to use. The other product were the serums. A little note here, when I applied these products to my face, which was before my foundation, I didn't notice that I wasn't recording, so that's why you didn't saw me using them. This one, I like the Skin Régimen 1.85 HA Booster. I like this because it feels like a dry oil, which I appreciate. I don't like sticky things. The eye cream, I don't know, skincare, you have to use them a lot. It felt like a regular eye cream, nothing too moisturizing. The other product was the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. It was another thing that it was a really light moisturizer. It's a good thing to use it as a base when you're gonna do your makeup, and that really do the job. The other product was the Luxie brush set. I didn't get to use the sponge because I didn't know that it had a sponge, but the rest of the brushes I really use each one of them. These are the 4 brushes and it was doable. They were really good, and I love the handle because it is matte. It has a better grip than other handles. I love both of the blushes. I like the shade of them. I don't know if they are long-lasting. The lashes, I love them. I thought that they were going to be a little bit big. They are, but they don't look bad, so I enjoy that. And let me see, which was the other thing. Oh, the palette. Amazing. I don't know if it was that the brushes that I used, they were a little bit more dense than what I normally use, but it didn't have any kick up in the pan, which I appreciate. I don't mind, but it is easier. This is a matte eyeshadow palette, and I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the 15 eyeshadows that this palette offers, and all of them were extremely good. And I love the eye look that I came with. Oh, and also the 2 the serum and the body gel, good. They aren't sticky, which I appreciate. I hate stickiness in my body. I hope you like this, and if you did, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.